Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM school. In this video, we are discussed about the separating methods that is separating method that is use of separating funnel. With the help of separating funnel, we are used to separate this funnel used to separate two immiscible liquids. For example, kerosene plus water. For example, kerosene plus water. So in this way we can separate that. So it is a diagram of separating funnel. And it contain the mixture of kerosene, kerosene plus water. So when we want to separate with the help of separating funnel, we use, first of all, fill this mixture, that is kerosene oil plus water, into the separating funnel and mix them properly and attach, hold with a holder and hang like that given in the figure. Like that, and the layer will form of the two immiscible liquid mixture. So in the beneath, because water have high density की वजह से यहाँ पे one layer form हो जाएगी और उसके ऊपर जो है kerosene की layer form हो जाएगी. और in this way we can separate the water, the mixture of kerosene and water, with the help of stopcock. So in this way we can separate the immiscible liquid with the help of separating funnel. Separating funnel. So in this way we can separate the immiscible liquid with the help of separating funnel. Now another separating method, that is centrifugation. So centrifugation is a process. Through this technique, we separate the fine particles separate the fine particle from the colloidal mixture. For example, that is separate cream from milk, separate blood and plasma, separate blood and plasma. So these are the both are milk and blood are the colloidal mixture, and their dispersed phase are not separate with the help of filter paper. So we can use this process, use this technique, that is centrifugation, and this equipment is used as churner which used to separate the cream from milk. Centrifugation machine like that, suppose it is a round up and through which the test tube look like that. It is a handle, it is axis, and it contain like that test tubes are there. This separating centrifugation equipment is used in axis, used in a laboratory. It is a manual centrifugation machine for the separate the blood and plasma for the diagnosis purpose. So the manual churner machine is also available in the market. This technique is also used in urine taste and washing, using washing machine to remove water from the wet cloths. So separate the cream from milk, separate the blood from plasma, and using urine test, using washing machine to remove water from wet cloths. So this is uses in our daily life, the centrifugation process. So another separating method, that is chromatography. Now, what is a chromatography in a word? The chromatography is coming from Greek word, which means in English, that is chroma means color. Chroma means color and graphic means writing. Graphic means writing. Chroma means color and graphic means writing. Now, separating the means chromatography means separating the mixture of dye or color. So it is a very simple process, and phenomena happen with the help of adsorption. Adsorption. Not there is to an absorption. absorption is a whole process. Suppose that it is a, take an example, adsorption and absorption. When suppose it is a boundary of the cell and water, when come in contact with water, it is a boundary of cell, it is a come in contact with water. So when the water is come in contact with water, when the boundary of cell is come in contact with water droplet, it called as adsorption. Means boundary of cell wall or any body which come in contact addition with water droplet, that is called adsorption. After absorption, the water go inside the cell or go inside the absorbed by the body or received by the body, any body, that is called absorption. So adsorption is the first phenomena. Any body that come in contact with water droplet. So adsorption, then absorption takes place. So first it will very simple process that is happening in, take a strip of paper and put in the jar. Put in the jar and fill with water. Before that, put on the mark with pencil or pen that contain dye, and fill again with water. Firstly fill the water and then put the chromatography paper. Put the chromatography paper into the glass jar. It is a glass jar and it is a strip of chromatography paper. Chromatography paper. And it is a glass jar. It is a water. It is a dye. So after taking the strip of chromatography paper, first we make a point on the strip of paper with a pen. And after dipping into water, when adsorption of water takes place on the strip of paper, जैसे ही water का addition होता है paper के साथ, तो water start raising. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे बना रहा हूँ, suppose ये आपका strip chromatography strip paper है और यहाँ पे आपने यहाँ पे जार में water add किया हुआ है और आपने यहाँ पे डिप किया, तो जैसे ही आपने डिप किया पूरा ये जो मार्क है वो डाई का मार्क है, जैसे ही वाटर के कांटेक्ट में आएगा पूरा ये वाटर में डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा और वाटर में डिजॉल्व होने के बाद पूरा स्प्रेड हो जाएगा ऐसे कुछ करके। तो 3 लेयर बना लेता है इस तरह से। अगर इस तरह से नहीं भी बनाता है तो कुछ लेयर फॉर्म करता है। अगर कुछ लेयर ये फॉर्म करता है, इस तरह की लेयर बनाता है, तो कम से कम 3 लेयर अगर फॉर्म हो जाती है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 3 लेयर, ऑन दिस बेसिस वी कैन अगेन टेक दिस स्ट्रिप ऑफ पेपर, इस स्ट्रिप ऑफ क्रोमेटोग्राफी स्ट्रिप ऑफ पेपर को निकाल लेंगे और निकाल के उसको ड्राई इन सन में ड्राई कर देंगे एंड ऑब्जर्व दैट कलर। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी हैव टेक a strip of chromatography paper strip of chromatography paper near about 12 centimeter long and 1.2 centimeter width, and make a spot on the paper with pen and dip inside into the jar and dip into the jar which contain certain amount of water contains certain amount of water and adsorption takes place and then water come in contact with spot dye or spot of dye and make spot dye and make two or three layer. So in this way, and after that we can find the strip of chromatography paper and dry it in the sun, and then that's why we observe the layer of color. So in this way we can separate the color present in the. So we can take the help of chromatography for composition of dye and pigment in natural color and drugs in a blood. So in this way we can take the help of chromatography separating method during the composition of dye, pigment of natural color and drug in blood. Now another portion we will discuss in the next video.